Hi friends. In this video you will see a budget hotel in Bangkok, located next to a SkyTrain station and a Lotus's market. They even provide a microwave oven and a free coffee machine for guests. Sounds like a catch, right? Well, let's find out. I liked the hotel the first time I stayed here. The room cost me 720 baht and my stay was comfortable. The second time, I paid 900 baht and was not happy with my stay. I had discovered a problem with this hotel, which will stop me from going back. I will cover both the positive and the negative points, so that you can make an informed choice. Here are the good things first. This is Hotel Hop Inn, which is at a walking distance from On Nut SkyTrain Station. Lotus's supermarket is attached to this train station. Hop Inn is a budget hotel with basic amenities, except that there is no personal locker or electric kettle in the room. You will not miss the coffee maker though, because every morning up to 11, guests can enjoy coffee, free of cost, from this machine in the lobby. After 11, hot water can be taken from this dispenser, any time of the day or night. The microwave is also available for the guests at any time, free of charge. There is a 7-Eleven across the road, where you can buy coffee powder, water, and snacks etc. Let me now show you their standard room, which can be booked with a double or twin bed. All the rooms in this hotel are of the same category. The room I got had a comfortable bed, a TV in the front, a split-type air conditioner, a sideboard with a chair, a mini fridge, and free Wi-Fi. 2 bottles of drinking water were given every day. There was a stand for keeping clothes, next to a window, with a view of the SkyTrain station. The bathroom was compact but clean, with an open shower, and an instant water heater. With all that, this should have been a comfortable room. But during my second stay, it was not. I found that the hotel had really thin walls. There was hardly any soundproofing. One night, I woke up from my sleep after hearing a phone in the next room. That phone was just vibrating. Yes, a phone vibrating in the next room woke me up. I am not exaggerating. The wall behind my bed could not even block the sound of a vibrating cell phone. I had not experienced this during my first stay here, because at that time, the occupancy in the hotel was low, and the rooms next to mine were vacant. But like I said, I am not going back to Hop Inn. About the rest of the hotel, the lobby has a sitting area for guests. Hotel staff is available 24/7. The free microwave and hot water add to the appeal of the property. I wish it were possible to get peaceful sleep in their rooms. That is all from me. If you have any questions regarding the hotel, or want to share your experience, please write a comment below. I will be happy to respond. And consider giving a thumbs up if you liked the video. You may also want to subscribe to my channel for similar videos on Thailand and other countries. Many thanks for watching.